You're driving down a busy street. You spot an open space and you hit the brakes. Suddenly, there's a line of cars idling behind you, or worse, a driving examiner sitting in your passenger seat holding a clipboard. The pressure in that moment causes most new drivers to panic. But parallel parking doesn't require spatial intuition or guesswork. It is a highly predictable 5-step geometric formula that works on the first try every time. This diagram shows the first strict rule of the formula, the gap. Before you even touch the gear shifter, you need to confirm the parking pocket is exactly 1.5 times the length of your vehicle. Once you have the right space, you have to calibrate your equipment. Before shifting into reverse, manually tilt your passenger side wing mirror down until the street curb is clearly visible at the bottom of the glass. By confirming the dimensions of the pocket and adjusting your line of sight to the curb, you eliminate your biggest blind spots before the car even begins to move backwards. Step 1 is your approach. Put your right turn signal on early to warn the drivers behind you, and pull up parallel to the vehicle parked at the front of the space. This graphic demonstrates the required starting position. You must maintain a lateral gap of 2 to 3 feet between the vehicles, with your rear bumper aligned perfectly with the rear bumper of the target car. Before you release the brake, you must perform a full 360-degree visual sweep. Check your mirrors and look over your shoulders to ensure no pedestrians or cyclists are entering your path. Now, shift into reverse. Turn the wheel to the right until it completely locks. Do not press the gas pedal. Simply let the car's natural idle speed carry you backward. As you reverse, lock your eyes on your left wing mirror. You are waiting for a specific visual trigger. Hit the brakes the exact millisecond you can see the entire front bumper and both headlights of the parked car behind you in that mirror. Seeing headlights confirms your vehicle is now sitting at a perfect 45-degree angle to the curb. Locking in that 45-degree angle sets the precise trajectory you need to enter the pocket safely. You've removed the spatial estimation and turned a stressful maneuver into a repeatable equation. To move down that 45-degree path, straighten your steering wheel 1.5 rotations to the left and reverse in a straight diagonal line. Stop the moment your right wing mirror aligns with the left taillight of the car in front of you. By matching your mirror to their taillight, you physically prove that the front right corner of your car has safely cleared their rear bumper. With the front of your car clear, it's time for the final rotation. Lock your steering wheel completely to the left, take your foot off the brake, and continue easing backward. Now, direct your attention to that passenger side mirror you tilted down earlier. Watch the gap between your rear right tire and the concrete curb close up, stopping the car as soon as your vehicle sits parallel to the street. Relying on the tail light alignment and the lowered mirror neutralizes the two biggest risks on a driving test: scraping the car in front of you and striking the curb. Once your car is completely parallel to the edge of the road, turn your steering wheel 1.5 rotations back to the right so your tires are straight. Next, shift the car into drive and creep forward. You want to center your vehicle within the pocket, leaving an equal amount of space between your front bumper and your rear bumper to allow everyone room to exit. Occasionally, a driver will check that lowered mirror during the final swoop and realize their rear tire is tracking to hit the curb. If this happens, do not pull entirely out of the spot. Instead, use a correction protocol. Shift into drive, turn your wheel to the right, and pull forward a few inches. This makes your entry angle shallower, giving you the exact clearance you need to shift back into reverse and finish the arc safely. To complete the parking job, bring the car to a full stop. Shift the transmission into park and firmly apply your handbrake. Understanding how to execute a small forward correction shows an examiner that you have absolute control over the vehicle's mechanics, ensuring you secure the spot even under intense pressure. Let's review the physical inputs. Lock right to 45 degrees. Reverse straight back. Lock left to swoop to the curb. Pull forward to center. Memorizing these mechanical steps provides your foundation. However, translating that theory into real-world driving confidence requires repetition paired with objective feedback. This interface belongs to the DriversCoach app, which features an artificial intelligence driving coach named HeadwindGo. Artificial intelligence is a technology that processes massive amounts of data, in this case, your specific driving metrics, to provide customized, real-time feedback. The app tracks your in-car progress during practice sessions, supplies step-by-step maneuver checklists for scenarios like parallel parking, and runs simulated mock exams so you know exactly what to expect. The geometric formula gives you the exact instructions to get the car into the space. Utilizing the objective, real-time feedback from the DriversCoach app builds the permanent muscle memory required to eliminate your parking anxiety for good. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and download the DriversCoach app to start practicing today.